Okay, as promised, I'm going to run through the same example from earlier, but this time the project will be run from an Agile point of view. So let's get started. We're going to start with the product backlog. The team collects the requirements for an enhanced vision project to help commercial airlines see through extreme weather conditions, just like before. The product owner carefully maintains this list, communicating frequently with the customer and constantly updating the project with more detail. The product owner also prioritizes the information in the backlog to help the team focus on the most critical areas first. Okay, next is the Scrum planning. The team decides from this sprint they will work on the indicator light, and just the indicator light, not the entire product line, just the indicator light. And they collect the user's story. As a pilot, I want an indicator light on my panel so I can see that the system is activated. That's just that simple. That is their only goal in this sprint. They collect other features that they need for the indicator light, like the color red and the location. This whole thing takes place in a very short period of time in just in an 8-hour slot. Okay, so now the sprint. The team is energized and they get started on the work right away. Each day they meet for their stand-up, which keeps them on track, but it's so brief it doesn't interfere with their work. Even better, each team member knows what the other team members are doing, and they even know what the other team members need. If they can help out, they do. If it's a larger obstacle, they bring in the Scrum Master, and the Scrum Master helps them out. Then the team completes this deliverable in a month. The customer reviews the symbol and determines location and color need to change. This time, this is not a problem. The change is added to the backlog and it is added to the next sprint. The customer is happy because they were able to see a deliverable very soon, only 2 months in the project rather than 9 months. And they were told it was okay to make the update. The team is happy because this change would impact part of the system design, and because the problem was found early, they can make the change easily. It's much easier to make a change at the beginning of a project than the end of the project because you've got less work done. And then finally, we have the sprint review and retrospect. The team documents what they learn, and this information helps them on their next sprint. As you can see, it moved faster. You can even tell from the PowerPoint that the PowerPoint had less to it. I mean, this seems silly that I would do this, but I mean, just look at the bullets on this PowerPoint. They're actually smaller than what was in Waterfall because it's really just less complicated, which is what you need in this type of situation. But I will discuss that more in the next video.